Hey guys, my name is Jimmy Swan and today I'm going to run you through a pre-ride safety check on my Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. Hopefully you'll get some good tips out of this and you'll be able to apply it before your next ride.
Starting at the front of the bike and working our way around, inspect the forks for any signs of damage or leaking oil. You should also take the opportunity to inspect the axle and ensure that it's fully tight. Using a trusted tyre pressure gauge, check both the front and rear tyres for correct pressure. Recommended pressures can be found on the tyre placard or your user manual. Check that your front brake lever is functioning properly and returns to its starting point with ease. Do the same with the throttle, testing that the spring returns it to its starting position. Test the clutch lever also with the same method while shifting through the gears. Switching on your ignition, ensure that your headlight comes on, instruments illuminate, and that you have enough petrol in the tank to at least get you to a petrol station. Test both left and right indicators, ensuring that all four are working as expected. Test both the front and rear brakes to ensure your brake light illuminates correctly. Engage the front and rear brakes while applying back and forth pressure to the handlebar to ensure there is zero movement in the bars. Check that both mirrors are secure and that you can comfortably see out of each. A cold engine won't show the true oil level, so run the bike for about 10 seconds on the centre stand to ensure the oil is between the specified levels. Grab the rear brake pedal and peak to ensure they are secure, and repeat this process on the other side for the gear shifter. Heading around towards the back of the bike, make sure that your number plate is fully secure and that the brake light lens is intact. With a cold engine, check that the muffler is secure. Finally, ensure that your chain has enough slack. Check your owner's manual for the specific amount.
Thanks for watching guys. If you have any other questions, please make sure to get in contact with your local Royal Enfield dealer.